Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a very special unboxing, and this is it right here. Can you guess what it is? It's going to be something very, very cool. Now, as of recently, I've been pretty absent on this channel because I've been very involved with my Amazon influencer and also building a couple other channels as well. And the reason is not because of the other channels. The reason is I'm kind of undecided as to the direction that this channel should go. Should I stick with the camera stuff? Should I start incorporating a couple other things so I have plenty of stuff to make videos about? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Okay, so to the unboxing. This is actually something that I received to do a review on. This is something that you can get on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description down below, and it's 100% customizable. You can build this to your liking. So let's open it up and take a look. And all right, here it is. As you can see, it's quite a large box. It must be Italian, it says Fragile. If you know, you know, right? Let's go ahead and start getting these straps off. Now, this was sent to me. I did not buy this. They sent it for the purpose of demonstrating this product to help advertise it. They're not paying me to make this video, but they did send me this awesome product. And I think that once you guys see it, you will agree that it is awesome. And it's something that every YouTuber dreams about. We all want this. Ooh, looky there. I already see some parts and accessories. We gotta be careful. Okay, better just open it up like this. I'm not gonna just slide it out. Very well packaged. You can see this is more than just, it's like a compressed cardboard to save that for making patterns when you do metal work. Some mounting accessories, more mounting hardware, and a cord. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can already see it. Check out this right here. It's glorious. It is a custom made, I don't want to say neon sign. It replicates neon. It's actually LED. But how cool is this for my backdrop? My very own Steve WB sign. How awesome. So what I'm going to do really quick is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mount it up here. It's not going to stay here, so I'm going to just temporarily mount it, and we're going to light it up and gaze at the glory of this sign. And we're going to check it out and see what effects and things it can do. So let's get that done. Oh yeah, check that out. Let's kill some of these lights. We're gonna get the remote fired up and we're gonna see what all this thing can do. Alright, so when I did get this sign, I did have to specify color. So I have red, so I don't believe that it's going to change colors whatsoever. But we are going to see what the different modes are on this remote. And let's see if we can turn it off. Turn it back on. We can control brightness, it seems. Bring it down so it's a little easier to see on camera. Now we have a mode up button. We got flashing, different flash, strobe, blinking, another flash, kind of like an effect, kind of like it's going out. Another effect, kind of like it's going out. And then if I just hit the light button, it goes back to normal. Oh, then we can pick. They have actually lists on here. I know you can't see them, but it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100% brightness. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're gonna go back down to like 30. Then you can pick times. You have a 5-minute timer, 10-minute timer, 30-minute timer, and a 60-minute timer. Very, very cool. It is single color, as I picked. You do have the multiple modes, so you can give it like that effect like it's going out or just blinking or flashing if you're trying to draw attention to a business. I like the fact that you don't have to just sit there and hit the button to like adjust the brightness. You have 10% increments, so you can quick pick how bright you want the sign. And it also has, like, if you're under the mode and this thing's flashing like crazy, you can actually slow down the effect. So it's not sitting there just like a strobe light. You can actually control the speed of the effect. Not too shabby. Let's turn some light back on. Alright, so on top of getting the marvelous sign, it is on a piece of clear plexiglass in the background. You get these nice stainless steel. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're like little standoffs. So you attach these to the sign, and then you screw these to the walls, and then you hang the sign on these, and it kind of stands it off the wall a little bit, which is really cool, because then you'll get that reverse lighting kind of going up and down the wall. It also comes with the anchors for mounting. You also get a wire if you choose to hang it, if you want to hang it by a wire, and you get 2 of those, and just overall a very clean looking, well done sign. The diffusers are excellent. You cannot see any individual LEDs in there. It just looks like a true, real neon sign. So that's going to be it for this short little video. I just wanted to share the unboxing of this little sign with you guys, and I also wanted to reach out to you to have you drop a comment below to tell me, you know, what kind of content are you interested in. I like to do the cameras and the action cameras. I'm kind of getting fed up with the action cameras a little bit because GoPro is unreliable. DJI, they kind of sucker punched us with the Action 3, even though I have a good one now, and I just don't know which way I want to go. Maybe I'll start leaning more towards videos using my iPhone and doing like the phone thing as well, but I also feel like I might start incorporating some projects and things, as you know, to just kind of throw some different content in there, so it's not all just camera based or microphone based. But give me your thoughts, let me know what you think. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.